Welcome to another CalCATS How Do I video tutorial. How do I connect CalPEATS? CalCATS makes it easy to connect your CalPEATS account for a seamless data exchange. First, navigate to the My Accounts page by clicking on your username, then My Account. You can find the CalPEATS settings under the CalPEATS Connection Management on the right-hand side of the page. This diagram helps understanding how the integration between CalCATS and CalPEATS works and why the connection between individual accounts is important. A county user can enter time directly into inspections, investigations, enforcement actions, and training and outreach sessions. These time entries will be automatically transferred into the user's timesheet in CalCATS. CalCATS compiles all the individual timesheets according to a customizable mapping into a county reporting, which in return will populate the County Activities section, or Primer, in CalPEATS. Alternatively, a county can decide to have the users enter their time exclusively in CalCATS. How to map the timesheet categories to specific Primer sections will be part of a different tutorial. To connect the CalCATS account to a CalPEATS account, click on the Connect My CalPEATS Account button. Enter your CalPEATS credentials and confirm the message from CalPEATS indicating the correct entered user ID and password. With that, time entries in CalPEATS show up in your CalCATS timesheet under the pesticide activity. That, of course, depends on how your county set up those categories. Now let's see how the time entry works in CalPEATS. I start a new inspection. And at the bottom, you will find a new section to capture time in miles. I add an entry and enter 2 hours and 5 miles. Note that everyone can enter additional time records to this inspection. So let's say an inspector can add an additional 15 minutes after reviewing this inspection. The very same section is available for investigations, all enforcement actions, and training and outreach sessions. Now let's see if our time actually shows up in CalPEATS. I hit the refresh button to update my dashboard. And here are my 2 hours on the 19th of June. And on my timesheet, the pesticide activity row shows the 2 hours on the same day. Double-clicking on the time cell gives me details about how this time has been calculated. You can see that inspection 104-39-20W000-005 has 2 hours recorded, and this table also would display all CalPEATS activities for this day. While you cannot modify the time directly in CalCATS, you can click on the pencil icon to navigate to this activity in CalPEATS. This is how seamless the integration between the two systems works. It is worth to notice that a password change in CalPEATS does not affect an already established connection with CalCATS. Thank you for watching and have a productive day with CalCATS.